everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well in your lives, and yes, I am doing well too. So in today's video I am going to show you a few lipsticks which you might be having already, but because of so many launches which every brand is doing like every now and then, you might get a little confused. This particular idea I have seen Deepti Desikan talking about, and I was really impressed with this particular topic because we girls, we already have so many lipsticks with us that we don't have to buy new launches every now and then. So I am going to give you my top lipsticks which like they were very raved about earlier, but as and when time passed, new lipsticks took over. So if you are having these many lipsticks in your closet, you don't have to buy any another lipstick, because first you have to finish off these lipsticks, then go ahead and buy some other lipsticks. So yes, now without any further ado, let's get started. So the beauty industry is so much saturated by every new launches, because I can see lipsticks are being launched every now and then, and which I think it's not necessary, because there are so many other products which brands can launch, but we have enough of lipsticks now. I want to see some other products. I am so bored. That is why I did not pick up the new K Beauty lipsticks, because I did not find any interesting thing. So I already have these lipsticks for you, which used to be my cult favorite sometimes back. I love these lipsticks still, but again, this is a reminder to remind you guys that if you are having these lipsticks in your closet, you should go ahead and finish all of them first before buying any lipstick. Okay, now let's dive into the video and see what all lipsticks I have for you guys. I also had a few lipsticks, but then they got rancid, that's why I had to throw them, and these are the ones which are good in condition, so that is why I am sharing these all with you. First lipstick is this is by Maybelline. This is Maybelline Lip Gradation lipstick. Now the formula on these lipsticks are so well like butter. It feels as if you are applying butter, and I feel that these are one of the best lipsticks by Maybelline, because these are so smooth and they stay so long on your lips. Even if you apply this, after some time this becomes transfer proof and it literally does not dry out your lips. These are so creamy in texture yet so long lasting. I feel the new Sensational lip crayon range is also not doing justice, because this is one of my favorite lipsticks from Maybelline. Again, amazing lipstick. I also used to have the shade Red 1 or Red 2, don't remember, but again that got rancid, because I have been like, that lipstick was with me since, I don't know, since 4-5 years maybe. And this particular shade is mauve 1, and this is a very pretty nice mauve sort of color. Yeah, I also have some affordable option for you. This is the Blue Heaven non-transfer lipstick, and this particular shade is Velvet Maroon, and these are so long lasting, and these are like so pigmented lipstick. I mean, this can give a competition to any high-end brand or any good brand, because in fact this is made in India lipstick, and this is amazing. I will say only the packaging is a bummer, but if you are having this lipstick in your closet or your vanity, I don't think so you will require any other high-end lipstick, because this is super duper pigmented. This shade in particular is my favorite. Again, super long lasting, transfer proof, and very hydrating on your lips. Moving forward, I have these Nykaa lipsticks. These are ultra matte lipsticks. In fact I have 3 shades with me, but I'm going to show you 2. One is Cleopatra and one is Jane. Now the formula on these lipsticks are the best. Yes, this is the one, this is the formula. Like, this is the lipstick, and this is in the shade Cleopatra. Let me also swatch this one. This is Jane. Yes, this is Jane. So again, these are so smooth in texture, and you see these are so luxe. I mean, I literally love this range from Nykaa. This is their best range whatsoever. All the shades in these range are so pretty, so beautiful, so unique. So if you already have these lipstick, you must use them up first, because they are really worth your time. Super long lasting. Yes, these are a little drying if you are applying them in winters, but in summers they are like the best formula out there whatsoever. Guys, I have two lipsticks from Sugar. This is Sugar's Matte as Hell Crayon. And do you remember how popular these lipsticks used to be? I mean, I have two shades with me. The first one is Scarlett O'Hara and the second one is LA Woods. And these were so famous, super duper famous earlier. In fact, now also these lipsticks, they have their integrity and love intact, at least from me. So many launches by Sugar Cosmetics, but these lipsticks, I think, very well deserved, well loved. This is Scarlett O'Hara. Such a pretty red shade. I mean, again, this is in a crayon formula. This is long lasting, but this is a little less long lasting, I would say, than Nykaa lipsticks, because these transfer a little bit, because again, this is in the crayon formula, that is why it transfers a little. This is LA Woods. Look at how pigmented, one swipe pigmentation is there. Very hydrating, I would say, little long lasting, and colors are amazing. So if you already have them, babe, you don't have to go and buy any new lipstick. Next one is this is the Color Bar Matte Me As Am I lip color. This is in the shade Sabotage 002. Let me swatch this for you. I mean, nothing is, like, something is there, but I have to sharpen it. Now this is the shade. Can you see? This is a very pretty red, deep red sort of shade. So I have swatched 3 reds here, but you will not find any similarity, because this particular shade is a little deep. It has that maroony sort of undertone. It is not very vampy color. You can very well wear this particular lip color anywhere you feel like. I used to get so many compliments when I used to wear this particular thing in at my work. People used to admire this lipstick. They used to ask me, what are you wearing on your lips? And this was the shade which I was wearing. So again, one of the best formulas out there. You must, like, if you are having this, you must use it, girl, because this is one of the bests. Forward in the crayon category, I have this one. This is by Nykaa. This is their Mattelicious lip crayon in the shade Jade Rose 11. This shade was so popular. I mean, can't even say. This one is the shade. This is such a popular shade. I mean, very it has a mauve rosy brown sort of undertone. Very pretty, looks amazing on skin tone and on Indian skin tone. And again, one of the best formulated lipsticks by Nykaa. Really love the pigmentation, and because it is in the form of crayon, it is a little less long lasting than the matte lipsticks, but then these lipsticks are again very superb. Ahead, this is the next one. This is the Rimmel Cosmetics Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color, and this is in the shade Love Bite. Do you remember I used to talk about this lipstick so much? I mean, can't even tell you how well I love this particular lipstick. This is where I have swatched it. I mean, this is such a nice brown peach color for Indian skin tone. If you're looking for some peach color, I would suggest you this one, because you know the color, the undertone of this particular lipstick is such a pretty thing. I mean, when applied on the lips, it looks amazing. So again, girls, if you have this, please use this, because this is such a great lipstick. It is long lasting, it does not dry out your lips, and again it hydrates your lips. Superb on pigmentation, not even that expensive. Again, highly I will recommend this one. Ahead I have one more lipstick from Colorbar. This is the Sinful Matte lipstick. I think Colorbar makes some of the best bullet lipsticks. I mean, this is in the shade Lustful. This is so luxurious. I mean, this has a velvet matte type of finish, and this can give competition to any high-end lipstick. Again, yes, this is expensive, but if you have this, if you have invested in this, I mean, you have one of the best formulas with you. Can you see, this is magnetic, looks so luxe. And then the best part is that it does not transfer when you are applying the lipstick. It is a little bit of creamy matte, and it do transfer in the beginning, but after some time when it is settled on your lips, it will not budge. And this particular lipstick will look so good on people of my skin tone. It is really nice. I have been speaking non-stop. Now the next one is this. This is by Nicka K. This is their True Matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Turkish Rose. I remember, like, this was on rage, and I would say even now people buy this because of this color. Like, can you see the color, the pink one? This is Turkish Rose. It has a perfect undertone of mauve and pink. It looks so good on across all the skin tones, not people with very dark skin tone, but if you are my skin tone or a little bit darker than me, this is going to suit you. The only thing is it is a little drying, yes, I agree, but then this is so long lasting, and it can give competition to any high-end lipstick. I mean, the formula feels very similar to the Smashbox liquid lipsticks, but then it is a little bit drying, that is not. So yes, this is my next pick. Towards the last one, best for the last. This is the Sugar Cosmetics. I don't remember the name, Metal Matte liquid lipsticks, and this is in the shade Mimosa. Again, this is one of the reds. Whenever I wear it, people ask me what you are wearing, and this is the one, this is the color. This has that perfect blue undertone, and it will look so good on people with fair skin tone, or as well as people with medium to dark skin tone. One red you are looking for, this is the one. You should get this one. This is amazing. So guys, that was about it. I hope if you are having any of the lipsticks, this is going to help you, and there isn't any need to buy new lipsticks if you already have them. Even this is for me as well. I am going to use all of these lipsticks and I'm going to finish them, then I'm going to buy new lipsticks. I hope this was helpful. So this video idea was taken from Deepti Desikan. I am going to leave a link to her video. You can go and watch her video. She is one of the finest YouTubers according to me, and I really love her content. Guys, that was about it. Hope you enjoyed. This video was a little longer, but yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care, and I love you guys a lot. Bye bye.